Unlocking the secret to success, mastering the keto lifestyle for optimal health and weight loss,
are becoming increasingly paramount. The ketogenic diet has emerged as a powerful tool for achieving optimal health and sustainable weight loss. This article aims to unravel the secrets behind the success of the keto lifestyle, exploring its principles, benefits, and practical tips to help individuals embark on a transformative journey toward better well-being. The ketogenic diet, commonly known as keto, is a low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet designed to induce a state of ketosis in the body. Ketosis occurs when the body shifts from using glucose as its primary energy source to burning fat for fuel. By drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and increasing the consumption of healthy fats, individuals can trigger this metabolic state, leading to a range of health benefits. The magic of ketosis lies in the body's adaptation to a low-carbohydrate environment. When carbs are restricted, the liver begins to produce ketones from fat, which serve as an alternative energy source for the brain and muscles. This shift not only promotes efficient fat burning, but also helps stabilize blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and enhance mental clarity. Key benefits of the keto lifestyle. Weight loss. By promoting fat burning, the keto diet can be highly effective for weight loss, making it a popular choice for those looking to shed excess pounds. Improved energy levels. Many individuals on the keto diet report increased energy levels and sustained endurance, attributed to the stable energy supply from fat metabolism. Get a keto diet program for your health and the comfort of your and your family's life in the future. Click the link in the description below.